Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your financial future. In this video, we'll be sharing valuable tips on how to achieve your financial goals and ultimately achieve financial freedom. If you're ready to embark on a journey towards a secure and prosperous future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals striving for financial success. Set clear and specific goals. Define your financial objectives in detail. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, starting a business, or retiring early, make sure your goals are measurable and realistic. Create a budget. Establish a budget to track your income and expenses. Understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments to support your goals. Prioritize and manage debt. If you have outstanding debts, prioritize paying them off. Start with high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on other loans. Consider debt consolidation or negotiation to make the repayment process more manageable. Save and invest. Build an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Once you have an emergency fund, focus on long-term savings and investments. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k, individual retirement account, IRA, or other investment vehicles suitable for your goals. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. Understand different investment options, risk management, and diversification. Seek advice from financial professionals or attend seminars to enhance your knowledge. Automate savings and payments. Set up automatic transfers to allocate a portion of your income directly to savings or investment accounts. Automating bill payments can also help you avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Review and adjust regularly. Regularly review your progress towards your financial goals. Assess your budget, track your expenses, and evaluate your investments. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track or realign your strategy. Stay disciplined. Maintaining discipline is crucial for achieving financial goals. Avoid unnecessary purchases, stick to your budget, and resist the temptation of impulsive spending. Keep reminding yourself of the long-term benefits and the satisfaction of reaching your goals. Seek professional advice. Depending on your circumstances, you may benefit from consulting with financial advisors, accountants, or investment professionals. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Stay motivated and celebrate milestones. Monitor your progress regularly and celebrate milestones along the way. Recognize your achievements to stay motivated and reinforce positive financial habits. Thank you for watching and investing your time in learning about achieving financial goals. By implementing the strategies we discussed, you're on your way to a brighter financial future. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach, and it starts with setting clear goals, budgeting, saving, and making smart investment choices. Stay committed, keep educating yourself, and watch your dreams become a reality. If you want to continue receiving valuable insights on personal finance and join a community of individuals striving for financial freedom, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, we can achieve financial success and unlock a world of opportunities.